Hello, in center. Hi, my question is to Tahir. I'm Rutunjay from Bob Diaries. Uh, so,
The center, yeah.
so Tahir, you're exploring 60s world for the first time, probably in Sultan of Delhi. How was your experience getting into the character, and also what was your favorite part of Sultan of Delhi?
Not only was I entering, thank you for the question, not only was I entering the 60s world, I was entering Milan Luthria's vision of 60s. And like iconic is the word, we've grown up seeing his work. And one of the things that he specializes in is the style. And that was very interesting for me, just to try on all those vintage jackets, itni sari gaadiyan, vintage ghadiyan, ye sab एक character को बनाती हैं. Exploring that was very, very exciting. And what was great to be working with both Milan sir and Supan sir, जब मैं बाल बना लेता था और vanity से निकलता था, that they were very precise in what they wanted in terms of Arjun Bhatia का body language ऐसे होगा, और and breaking away from Tahir and becoming Arjun Bhatia. I think after we finished 1 year of shooting, it took me a good 2 months to stop walking like Arjun Bhatia does. So all of that, creating this really interesting, dynamic, multifaceted character and entering the glamorous world of Milan Luthria and Supan's 60s was very exciting.
Hello, I'm Sharik Sheikh from Indian Express. निशान जी, मेरा क्वेश्चन आपसे है कि मतलब आप जो है इस सीरीज़ में ग्रे कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रहे हैं, तो आपका जो है मतलब कि क्या प्रिपरेशन था इस चीज़ में और कैसे आपने ये कैरेक्टर के लिए अपने आप को मनाया?
थैंक यू फॉर द क्वेश्चन. आई मीन ये जो कैरेक्टर है जो मैं प्ले कर रहा हूँ आरपी का सुल्तान ऑफ दिल्ली में, इट्स completely different from what I have played till now as an actor. So it was a different challenge.
मेरे ख्याल से ये झूठ बोल रहे हैं, क्योंकि हम सबको पूरा यकीन है कि ये जितने शरीफ लगते हैं ये उतने ही बदमाश हैं, और ये जितने भी हमारे इंटीमेट सीन्स हैं, जहाँ इनकी विलनी दिखी है, जहाँ इनका कमीनापन दिखा है, उसको इन्होंने इस तरह से निचोड़ के पिया है कि आप प्लीज इनकी शक्ल पे मत जाएं. ये बहुत ही कमीने इंसान है और इन्होंने बहुत ही बेहतरी से अपना कमीनापन दिखाया है. प्लीज कंटिन्यू निशान.
अब प्रिपेयर्ड आंसर बोलो.
Thank you so much, sir, for the kind, encouraging words. Yeah, I was expertly guided by Milan sir, and I thank him.
Good one.
So yeah, also coming back to the question and the answer. हाँ, तो ये obviously बहुत different था जो मैंने अब तक किया है. But the day I met Milan sir and he narrated the part to me, and obviously the opportunity to work with him, that comes foremost. And after that, the character. There was like how Milan sir said, why not? Because this character did not have anything to say no to. It was a challenge for me as an actor. It's a dream character for any actor. It is like a total spectrum of emotions that this guy goes through. It has happiness, sorrow, love, despair, frustration, agony, anguish, joy. So it was a pleasure in terms of preparing for the character. I mean, initially, it took some time because it's not something that you feel that you're the bad guy and you go and you do the part superficially. Because if you're superficial, then it'll show across on screen. So you would rather try to get into the head of the character. तो मैंने कोशिश करी किसी तरह वापस जाके सोचूं, देखूं कि आरपी के क्या-क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहे हैं लाइफ में, छोटे में कैसा होगा, क्या-क्या बातें हैं जिन्होंने उसको अब ये बनाया है. Why is he the way he is right now? So that was the difficult part in understanding RP, and along with obviously Milan sir, Suparn, the process became easier. And once I got the hang of it, tried to understand it, and then the costumes and the sets, everything just made things so much easier. As soon as I get into costumes by Gian Malika, thank you Gian Malika, the costumes were absolutely great, they are fabulous. So yeah, everything, छोटी-छोटी चीजें, यानी कि एक character की कॉफ़ी पीता होगा शायद, ये छोटी-छोटी चीजें ही help करती हैं करने के लिए. So yeah, the process was long, but once you get a hang of it, then it's like a cakewalk. थैंक यू।
अनुप्रिया जी, मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि आपने इससे पहले सीरीज में जो है बहुत ही सीधा साधा गर्ल नेक्स्ट डोर का कैरेक्टर प्ले किया है। ये कैरेक्टर प्ले करने में आपको कितना ज़्यादा सोचना पड़ा, और मतलब कि आप ग्लैमरस कैरेक्टर फर्स्ट टाइम प्ले कर रही हैं?
इनफैक्ट बिल्कुल नहीं. I love dark characters, and as everyone is saying, when I too met Milan sir for the first time, I was just very, very intrigued about his cinema before on, but more than that, meeting him just made me feel that it was a very democratic space to be in. It was such a beautiful, comfortable meeting because we had a very clear discussion about everything. He was happy to answer my questions. And as I said, when I read the script, I fell in love with not just the world of Sultan of Delhi, but also Shankri as a character. And every graph, every other character's graph is very well chalked out. I wanted to be part of that world. And not just the writing by Supan, having known Milan sir's work before, the world that could have come out, I mean, there was no chance of me ever giving it a second thought at all. And I had a great time, honestly. I was worried, not just because of the intimate scenes or something, but because it's a dark character and I've not played that before so much. And I didn't want to play it in a normal, typical vampish way. So that used to be a constant thought in my head. And I think when you're worried about how you're going to play something, or a little nervous or excited, I think that's a character you should really go out for, and that makes it much more interesting. Supan sir and Milan sir were both always there to help me through the process. And Nishant was a fabulous co-actor. In fact, I would tease him many times. He was always very sweet. And yeah, the entire team, Vishnu sir, the entire production team, Namit, also Jia and Malika, have to mention them, and even Tripti and Harshita, who were part of her team. They did such a fabulous job. The art, the whole thing, I mean, it's a dream to be a part of this.
Hi, this is Garima from the Lallan Top. So, my question is to Anjum. मैंने ये किताब पढ़ी, सीन शूट करके आते थे कि आप दोनों मिलके सेट पे लोगों को परेशान करते थे. ये दोस्ती ऑफ स्क्रीन कैसी थी?
Thank you for the question. Basically,
अरे बोल दे यार, शर्मा मत.
एक्चुअली आपकी एक छोटी सी गलतफहमी है. इन दोनों के बीच में दोस्ती नहीं है, कंपटीशन है.
सर सब सच बोल रहे हैं सर, प्लीज.
तो उसका बहुत ही एक कमाल का मतलब एक जर्नी रही. बहुत राइट इन द बिगनिंग जब मैं मिलन सर से मिला, उन्होंने ये रोल बताया, 3-4 चीज़ों में मेरे सामने एक गाइडलाइन तैयार हो गई थी, बिकॉज हिज रेफरेंस एंड हिज ब्रीफ वॉज सो प्रिसाइज, जो कि मैंने बताया भी जब उन्होंने पूछा कि आपका कैरेक्टर अगर आप एक लाइन में बताएं तो कैसा होगा. एंड देन ताहिर से मुलाकात हुई, मैं पहली बार ही मिल रहा था उससे, बट समवेयर मुझे ये लगा कि हम दोनों का जो तरीका है काम करने का वो बहुत सिमिलर है इन टर्म्स ऑफ बहुत इंडिविजुअलिस्टिक अप्रोच है. वो अपना काम कर रहा है, मैं अपना काम कर रहा हूँ, और हमारे पास ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं था. हमने काम शुरू किया, और जो भी हमारा प्रेप होता था धीरे धीरे करते मैं ये कहूँगा कि अर्जुन और बंगाली एक साथ उसकी एक जर्नी शुरू हुई, और करते करते कहीं ना कहीं हमने एक इक्वेशन, एक दोस्ती अगर मैं कह सकता हूँ, ताहिर और मेरे बीच में शुरू हुई. लेकिन वो रास्ता खुला अर्जुन और बंगाली से. ये फिर से मैं यही कहूंगा.
Next question.
Hi, Moni ji. Hi, आपके सामने.
Right at the back.
मौनी जी, कैबरे डांस देखा अभी हमने आपका, जो कि बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल था. सो कहीं ना कहीं हमें हेलन जी की याद आ जाती है. सो कुछ इंस्पिरेशन लेती हैं आप, या फिर जब आपको बताया गया कि इस सुल्तान ऑफ दिल्ली में इस तरह का कैबरे करना है, सो क्या कुछ चल रहा था आपके दिमाग में?
जैसे सबने बताया, मिलन सर इज एक्चुअली वेरी वेरी प्रिसाइज. सो ही न्यू एग्जैक्टली व्हाट ही वांटेड. और मैं उनको, मुझे अभी भी याद है, पूछती रहती थी कि सर क्या सॉन्ग पे करेंगे, क्या सॉन्ग पे करेंगे. ही इज़ लाइक, डोंट वरी, इट विल बी अ ओरिजिनल सॉन्ग एंड इट विल बी सुपर्ब. और पहली बार जब मैंने ये गाना सुना, एक्चुअली जब आप शो देखेंगे तो देखेंगे कि आई हैव अटेम्प्टेड टू डू जैज, प्रॉब्ली वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट टाइम्स इन माई लाइफ, एंड ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग जितनी रिहर्सल मैं दूसरे परफॉर्मेंस के लिए करती हूँ अपने, उससे ज़्यादा लगी, क्योंकि एक तरह का बॉडी लैंग्वेज की बहुत ज़रूरत होती है, और मैं उस डांस स्टाइल में इतनी कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं हूँ. बट आई थिंक we all just went by the vision that Milan sir had for every single character, and yeah, वही किया मैंने. Thank you.
एंड मौनी जी, मिलन जी सबके बारे में एंड आपके बारे में बहुत ही अच्छी अच्छी बातें बता रहे हैं, गॉसिप दे रहे हैं. आप कुछ गॉसिप देना चाहेंगे मिलन जी के?
नहीं, हम मिलन सर से और सुपर्ण सर, दोनों सर से बहुत प्यार करते हैं. इस शो में मुझे सुपर्ण सर के साथ काम करने का मौका नहीं मिला, वो अगले शो, ठीक है. बट नहीं, आई थिंक दोनों बहुत जैसे कि अनुप्रिया ने बताया, बहुत ही बहुत स्पेस देते हैं आपको अपना सब कुछ बोलने के लिए, डिस्कशन करने के लिए, अपनी बात रखने के लिए. आई थिंक वो मिलन सर के साथ मुझे उनके बारे में ये बहुत बहुत अच्छी लगती है मुझे ये बात कि इतना आपको रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं, बट एट द सेम टाइम ही इज योर फ्रेंड, ही इज योर बडी. यू कैन talk to him about everything and anything. So I will always remember this experience, sir. So thank you so much.
Up Sach?
Same, repeat.
Hello. Here,
raise
left
your
hand
hand.
side. Hello.
On to the
Yeah,
left.
here. Shilpa here from Mayapuri magazine. मेरा सवाल हरलीन आपसे है. In the world of Sultan of Delhi, there is while the drama is high, emotions are high. Your character brings simplicity and balance. So can you tell us about your character?
Yeah, I think that was the whole point of doing Sultan of Delhi, because when Milan sir called me in for a meeting, he said, "Baki sare characters mein grey shade hai. This is the only character which has that kind of innocence and simplicity of that time." And that was something that I did want to explore, because बाकी जितना भी काम किया है वो बहुत ही कॉम्प्लेक्स, बहुत ही लेयर्ड और इंटेंस रहा है. सो this was a breather in that sense. It was also, I really wanted to work with Milan sir, who doesn't, I got a chance to work with all these amazing people here. सुपर्ण के साथ काम करने का मौका नहीं मिला अगले शो में. But yeah, वो I think आजकल के characters इतने लेयर्ड लिखे जा रहे हैं कि इस तरीके का कैरेक्टर भी एक breath of fresh air की तरह है. So that's why, I wanted to do it, and I'm happy that he chose me for it, and he sees some simplicity in me, clearly.
We have time for one last question. I request a volunteer to please help with the mic, please. Thank you.
Hi, Myrene. Over here, this is Shubhajit here. First of all, good afternoon to one and all, and congratulations. I think fantastic stuff coming forward for all of us. Myrene, my question to you is that a lot of people have said a lot of stuff regarding their preparation, etc. You as well as an artist, you have done your best to grow over the years. Agar मैं आपको पूछूं that one thing that you have tried to do differently in this project so that a different layer of yours comes out in front of the public, वो क्या होगा?
Thank you for your question. I think the whole experience of it I really want to thank Milan sir for making me a part of this. जब मुझे पता चला कि मेरी मिलन सर के साथ मीटिंग है और मैं उनको मिलने गई, तो मैं मतलब बिगेस्ट फ़ैन हूँ Once Upon a Time in Mumbai की, like from the Get Up to all Sir's movies. तो जब मैं गई और सर ने मुझे बताया कि this is the kind of character that he showed me Marilyn Monroe and Audrey, and this was the look, the kind of look he wanted for my character. और पहले तो मैं लुक देख के मतलब बिल्कुल फिदा हो गई, because I really wanted to do something like that. And then obviously the whole experience of working with Milan sir, the whole team, Supan, he's doing such amazing work. And I was working with Venki sir. That's the first time I, heard that he was working with Supan in the show. And so I was very excited. And then, Tahir, Moni और मुझे तो आज ही मिलने का मौका मिला है. But coming to your question about my character, I think सब कुछ ही different हुआ है इस show में मेरे लिए. मतलब I just believed in Milan sir and just the way he wanted Sanjana to be like, and obviously जो थोड़े बहुत जो complex scenes थे, because Sanjana has a journey of her own finding, you know, where she, I don't know, finds and loses herself and like tries to find herself back again. Like I said that, you know, she is very elegant, charming, and at the same time very naive and very fragile. तो बहुत सारी इसकी characteristics बहुत मेरीन से भी close हैं. तो जो इसके experiences हैं, different experiences, but वो जो finding थी, वो जो मेरीन की थी, वो I kind of, you know, I had a discussion with Supan. He was like on my, you know, speed dial, जो 2-3 बहुत important scenes थे, you know, I would call him, and if he was on set, you know, he would just tell, you know, he would talk to me, make me sit down, speak to me about my life, and tell me कि हाँ मैंने ऐसे लिखा है, तू करना, मतलब I'm sure, you know, and just leave yourself, you know, just trust in Milan sir and he'll just get the best out of you. And that's what happened. Like with Milan sir, I think he's the kind of director, first time I'm working with, you know, someone like that, कि sir के maximum first या second take is an okay take. तो हमको बहुत doubt होता था उस चीज़ में, because, you know, like usually you're like नहीं one more, because being an artist, you're never happy with, you know, what you've performed.
But Marine, अभी आपने बताया कि आप
अब मेरी
सुपन सर से कुछ सवाल पूछते थे और वो बहुत पेशेंटली, बहुत इत्मीनान से आपको एक्सप्लेन करते थे. सुपन सर, आप जरा बताएंगे आप कैसे एक्सप्लेन करते हैं उनको?
मुझे मैं एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ. I would say that one magic word to her, paycheck.
So basically, he was the Rema of your life. He used to keep telling you, calm down. Baby, calm down, calm down. And
भाई मेरी शक्ल देखिए. I look like a guru, right? मेरे शब्द
आपको
देख के
पता
काम हो
है
जाते हैं.
आप इनकी कंपनी में हो वैसे ही calm down रहते हो, but then it wasn't like it was.
We had conversations, we had discussions, and we bonded. It was good fun.
Yes, like I think he really like ये है इनमें हुनर, ये सबको जानते हैं. मतलब the first time he meets someone, I think ये उनकी पूरी life के बारे में बता सकते हैं, because writer है ना, मतलब बहुत deep है. दिखते नहीं है deep, लेकिन बहुत deep इंसान है.
मेरे Instagram bio पे mind reader लिखा है, so I read minds. It's all good. It helps.
so he's read you well, and I have to say, when she said that she's done everything different in the show, we were discussing the hair as well, that it's taken
Oh yes.
Yes, a long
Something,
time.
The most different was कि I all my hairstylists, whoever I've worked with, they all know कि मैं hair products use नहीं करती. मतलब it's a no. Maybe that's why I still have great hair. मैं कोई hair spray कभी use नहीं करती. लेकिन जितना मैंने ये show में ये बाल set करने के लिए hair spray use की है, तो मुझे लगता है कि मैंने वो बाकी अपनी सारी जितनी फिल्में की है वो सब इक्वलाइज हो गए यही प्रोजेक्ट में. आज भी मुझे लगता है एक पूरा खत्म हो गई हुई बॉटल, बिकॉज यू नो इन 60s लाइक दे वर सो लाइक इट वाज ऑल सो प्रिम एंड सो प्रॉपर. सो थोड़ा सा भी, एंड आई हैव ओसीडी एनीवे, बट जो मैं पहले छोड़ दिया था कि क्योंकि लव फॉर हेयर ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट, बट यहाँ लव फॉर संजना, लव फॉर माई कैरेक्टर, लव फॉर माई लुक वॉज मच 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 मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट. मैंने बोला कोई बात नहीं, बाल थोड़े बहुत चले जाएंगे बट ये लुक ऐसी रखनी है.
Basically, मेहरीन season 2 के बाद ऐसे दिखेगी, but हाँ.
But look, Judge, must say. We have time for one more question. Yes, please.
Hello, hi. Mr. Gaurav Banerjee, hi. This is Seema Sinha here. You all are creating a lot of productions on a very huge scale. Like we also saw The Night Manager earlier. So are the expectations rising, the audience, how they are reacting to it?
Thank you so much for the question, and thank you for appreciating The Night Manager. That's one of the shows that we are really, really proud of. And I hope fans have expectations from our shows, and I hope not to disappoint them too much. But yes, you're absolutely right. We're looking to create better and bigger shows, and today is an amazing, hopeful experience of that for everybody. And we have lots of other good series in the works at the moment, which we are equally excited about, and there will be opportunities to talk about it over the next few weeks and months. And I think we are on a roll. We're proud of where this journey has taken us so far, from Special Ops to Arya to Night Manager to recently the Freelancer and now here today. So I think this is something that, that we are proud of. We genuinely believe that amazing streaming shows can be created with complex storylines helmed by incredible cinematic visionary directors like Milan and Suparn, and with incredible actors. And our job is to sort of keep providing energy for that, keep creating the right context for that, and hopefully creating an experience and a brand that viewers love and enjoy, and worlds they want to see and be part of. So yes, that's our endeavor, and thank you for noticing it.
Thank you for your question. Thank you so much, and thank you, Gaurav sir, for popping out the best of content and getting better by the day, by the series, so we could take our tub of popcorn and just binge watch the series. Can't wait for the 13th of October. Wishing you the best, and with that, we call it close for the media Q&A. Wishing all of you the best for Sultan of Delhi. The trailer looks powerful, gripping, fresh, as I said the right word. It drops on Disney Plus Hotstar on the 13th of October. एक फोटो तो बनती है सल्तनत की, so may I request all of you to please step forward. I'd say, why not a photo op? Please.